Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Costco promo codes in 2025. So in order to get that, you will have to simply open your web browser and you need to search for coupons.com. So this is the website that is there on Google for quite some time now, and it is one of the best and legit websites that I found in terms of getting the promo codes on any of the websites of your choice. So here, since we are looking for Costco promo codes, you need to simply use the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen and type Costco. After that, once you find Costco in the list, you need to simply click on it, and now the interface will look something like this. Over here, you will see that all of the promo codes are actually working for January 2025. At the time of recording this video, you can find a bunch of different promo codes. So you just have to simply select the code or the deal in which you are interested. So let's say I'm interested in this one. So you just have to simply click on it and it will show you the coupon code which you need to copy from here. And at Costco, at the time of the checkout, you just have to simply use the code and the promo code will be applied. So this way you can basically find Costco promo codes in 2025. You can even find $100 of promo codes and $20 of promo codes and $70 of promo codes. So you just have to simply get the deal and you are good to go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.